Dear traders, in this video again I'm here with the scalping strategy that is different from the other all strategies that have been shared with you previously. And in this strategy I want to tell you that um, I'm going to tell you that if you are tired of guessing that in which direction the market is moving, then with the help of these two indicators that I am explaining in this video today, you will be able with the confidence to trade the market for bearish or bullish patterns. And this powerful tool combines three essential indicators. The first one is the average directional index. The second one is the positive directional indicator, and the last one is the negative directional indicator. This ADX measures the strength of the trend as well as with the DI and DI indicator plus and minus. You can identify the bullish and bearish signals as well. So in this video I will be telling you that how you can get the highly accurate signals with the help of AIR Vortex ADX indicator. That is simply the new indicator in the TradingView, and not most of the traders know about it. So if you are going to use this indicator, you will be able to take the trades confidently, that you are in the right move with the help of these two indicators. Okay, let's move towards the strategy. But before going towards the details, I want to tell you that this strategy can not only be used for the Forex, but also for the crypto and stock market. Here, which broker I'm using for my trading, that I want to tell you, this is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you will be able to get five kinds of or five types of accounts. Among them, there are two standard accounts, standard and standard cent, and there are three professional accounts, raw spread, zero, and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I have opened gold chart with 1 minute time frame. You can open any of the time frame from 1 or 3 or 5 minutes, but because we are going for the scalping strategy, so I have chosen the smallest time frame, that is 1 minute. And the indicators that we are going to add here, the first one is the power trend indicator with volume range filter strategy, and 885 traders are using this indicator. So simply click on it to add it on your chart. Here we have added it, and you can see that our chart will be looking like this, as it is showing us the two colors here. One is green and the other one is the olive green color. Okay, you have to remember two things here, that this is the power trend line. If your market is below this power trend line, it means that your market is in the bearish pattern or in the bearish trend. And if your market is above this power trend line, it means that it is going into the bullish trend or in the bullish pattern. Now let's move or add another indicator here, the second one indicator, and that is AIR Vortex ADX indicator, and only 59 traders are using this indicator, and this is by Woody Beer. So simply click on it, it will be applied on your chart. So this is this indicator. As you can see, it is also in the two colors, one is red, one is green, or the light green or light or red or pink, as you can see here. Now we will do a few of the adjustment into both of the indicators. So go into the settings of the first indicator, and that is the power trend indicator. We will change its length from 200 to 150, and we will change its ADX filter position from 14 to 24. Simply click on OK, and now it has been adjusted according to our requirement of this indicator. Now we will go into the settings of the second indicator, and that is AIR Vortex ADX indicator. Here you have to change its length from 34 to 24, and its threshold we will increase a bit from 0.2 to 0.3, and its length we will reduce from 9 to 3. Rest of the things are same, so simply click on OK, and now our both of the indicators are set for our trade to be taken profitably. Now what we have to do, first of all, you have to look towards your first indicator, and if you see, the power trend indicator has given us the sell signal here. For sell signal, you must seek a few of the conditions to be fulfilled. So first condition is that your indicator is giving you the sell signal. The second thing is that your market should be below the power trend line, and that is also fulfilled. Now the third thing is that your market should be making a bearish candle, and that has been made here already. Now the fourth and the final thing that you have to look into your AIR Vortex ADX indicator, that these lines or this area should be filled with the red color bars or red color lines. As you can see here, that this area is also red, so we will take the entry into the market with the confidence that we are right with the market move. So you can enter into the market for taking the bearish signal, and for this you have to enter into the market for maximum profit. Conversely, if we see that for the buy signal, how you have to take the entry, first of all, your power trend indicator should give us the buy signal as it has given us here. Then the second thing that you have to look into the strategy is that your power trend line should be below the market, and that is also, we can see here that this is below the market. And the third thing is that your market should have a bullish candle, that we can see it here. The fourth and final thing that we have to look into our indicator, the second indicator, AIR Vortex indicator, that all the bars should be in the green color, and you can see that you are in the green color area right now. So you can take the entry into the market for the maximum profit that you can take by using these two indicators. I hope you understand the strategy. If there is any problem, you can check it again, that you have to take the entry into the market only when all four conditions are fulfilled. Then you will be able to take the maximum profit by using the combination of these two indicators. And I assure you that by using these two indicators or the combination and with all fulfilled condition, you will be able to take all winning trades. I hope you understand it well. If you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe this video and to use it for your own trading. Thank you and good luck.